Everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. So we have another Kenwood Tl922a. He wants the 10 meter mod done. He removed the stock filter caps and then he decided it was too much work for him, so he sent it to me. I will put in the Harbach replacement caps. Has the RO measure stuff. I'm going to rip all that stuff out, ground the grids, do all the other mods I normally do. Needs a band switch. The contacts, this is the contact for the padding capacitor on the plate side is blown apart on both sides here. So I have a new band switch. I'll put that in. And I'll do everything else I normally do. Has some funky parasitic suppressors. Cover's still on. I'll wind a couple new ones. And that's about it. So stay tuned. I will be back. See you soon. Everybody, we're back with the completed Kenwood Tl922. This thing was a lot of work. I'm going to go over everything I did real quick. Changed all the meter lamp bulbs, including the on-air standby light bulbs down there. Someone had cleaned up arc damage before on the air variable capacitor on the plate side. Looks okay. Tested the full output, no issues. Put in the Harbach filter cap board kit because he had removed the old caps, so put all that in, zip tied all the wiring, put the series glitch resistor in. I made new parasitic suppressor assemblies, put the strap in over here. So everything up here looks good. Meter protection diode. So I will show you the bottom. See you soon. Okay, so I put in the brand new band switch. Everything's soldered real nice. Put the strap in over there. Got rid of all that stuff over here, the aftermarket resistors, all the other stuff. Grounded the grids really well. Did the self-bias modification. Changed the electrolytic cap over here. And everything is good to go. So here's the old band switch. You can see a better view of it here. See the burnt up contacts over here. So this other contact was damaged also. It was okay on one side, one of them, but see, that's burnt up. Okay, so this thing is good to go. So if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. I also cleaned the rotary switches with deoxit gold and the SO239s check out okay. So, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. 73.